A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. Today we are going to discuss the third lesson from the book of Qiratul Rashida. In this lesson we can see that this is not a prose. This lesson is just a poem. But in our previous lesson, that means in our first and second lesson, we have seen or discussed prose in this book. But this lesson is just a poem. So in this book there are 5 poems were been written by the author. So this is our first poem in this book. So in this lesson is just like an ant tell about his own life as a poem. So we can move to the lesson. The topic is An-Namla. That means An-Namlat means the ant. So An-Namlat, that means ant. So we can move the poem. Talas, the ant tell the poem. Tala sa'i bil amal. Lastu arla bil kasal. My effort is extended with hope. I am not contented with laziness. So we can see that Tala sa'i, that means my effort is extended. So Tala means extended or long, like that. So sa'i, that means effort or trying. So Tala sa'i, that means my effort is extended with hope. Bil amal. Al amal means hope. So bil amal, that means with hope. So Tala sa'i bil amal, that means my effort is extended with hope. Lastu arda bil kasal. I am not contented with laziness. So lastu, that means I am not. Arda, that means satisfied or contented, like that. So lastu arda, that means I am not contented. Al kasal, that means bil kasal. Al kasal means laziness. Bil kasal, that means with laziness. So I am not contented or satisfied with the laziness. So then the ant also said that غابتي النيل طلب لا أبالي بالتعب. So the meaning is my aim is completion of the goal. I don't consider being tired, like that. So غابتي means my aim. So غابت, that means aim. غابتي, that means my aim. نيل الطلب. So غابتي نيل الطلب means my aim is completion of the goal. So Nail means completion, Talabu means goal. So Talabu means desire or goal. So in that place the goal is correct meaning for this line. La ubali bitab. I don't consider being tired. So La ubali means I don't consider or I don't worry about bitab, with the tired. And the ant also said that Abutani al-Bayt al-Hasan binidami lisakan. So the meaning is I am building a beautiful house in my method for staying. So Abutani al-Bayt means I am building or I am constructing. So Abutani means I am constructing or I am building. Bayt, the house. I am constructing the house. The house is like a beautiful. So al-Hasan means beautiful. So the whole meaning is Abutanial Bayt al Hasan. That means I am constructing or I am building a beautiful house binidamin lisakan, in the method, in my method for staying. So nidam means a kind of method, like that. Lisakan means for staying, like that. Walikuti adhabu lastu yawman al'abu. I go with my power. I don't even play for a day. So Walikut means Kuwat, that means my power. Walikuti, that means Walikuwat means power. Walikuti, that means my power. Adhabu, I go with my power. So Adhabu means Dhahaba Yadhabu, Adhabu means I go with my power. Lastu Yawman al-Ab. I don't even play for a day. So the ant tell about his own life, how he spent his how it spend its life, like that. So the ant also say that lastu yawman al abu. I do not even play for a day. So lastu means I am not, I do not. Yawman, days, a day. Al abu, I am playing. So lastu al abu means I am not playing. Day. So yawman means day. And then kulla sayfin ajma'u li ta'aman yushbi'a. Every summer I gather satiating food for me. So kulla saifin means every summer season, like that. Ajma'u, I gather. Kulla saifi ajma' means every summer season or every summer I gather li for me ta'aman, food yushbi', uh, satisfying or satisfying food, like that. So yushba' means a full of food, like that. Then فإذا جاء المطر كان لبيت المطر. So the ant also tell about his situation in the raining season, like that. So that is فإذا جاء المطر. If rain comes, if the rain comes, فإذا جاء يجيء, جاء means come, to come. فإذا جاء, إذا means فإذا means if. فإذا جاء means if rain comes, al-matar means rain. كان لبيت مطر, my house will be as a storage or shelter, like that. So كان لي baiti, my house, al-matar, that means storage or shelter, like that. So that means my house will be as a storage or shelter. Then ذاك شأني في الصغر ونظامي في الكبر. Kibar, that means this is my work in the young age. So ذاك, that means this sha'ni, this is my work or affair, or this is my matter. So this is my work في الصغر, in my young age, in young age. ونظامي في الكبر, that means and my regime in the older age. So nizami means our scenario or our regime or our situation or our method. We can get anything. So we can get our regime, like that. Wanidami fil kibar means and my regime in my old age. Fil kibar means in old age, older age, like that. Then innani ni'amal masal bi ijtihadi fil amal. I am a great example through my hard work in the work. So innani, certainly I am, ni'amal masal, greatest. Ni'amu means great or greatest, masal means example. So innani ni'amal masal means I am a great example bi ijtihadi, through my hard work or with my hard work. Ijtihad means hard work, fil amal, in the work. Okay friends, thanks to watch our videos. We hope that you all may get benefit from our videos. So if you want to learn Arabic easily, just to follow our videos by subscribing our channel. You can tell your suggestions through like, dislike and comments also. And then don't forget to share our videos to your friends and Arabic learners also. We will meet with the next lesson inshallah. And in description you can get the book PDF. Assalamu alaikum.